My lad's just brought this home. He's the one who does all gypsy caravans. That was on a wheel clamp on one of the vans, and they ground this last link off to get the thing off. Of course, still on the chain. He knows I'm into this lot, so he said, "Do I want it?" Fuck you dead right. I don't know, I might not be saying that in a bit. Let's find out. Don't do me any favours, is it? Get in. We're in. It's been binding. No, that's it, yeah. Come on. You know what you want to do. Hey! Gotcha! Shit, that's in the way. Get a bloody weight in that, that must be worth a tenner in scrap. What's it called? LCC hardened. Whoever that is. Never heard of it. Done! That was a serious bit of locking that. Cheers, gents.